Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back in case if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for clicking to watch my video. If today is the very first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome here. Please don't make this very video your last. Make sure you hit the red button to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you anytime there's any upload from me. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you step by step on how I do my body care routine and my face care routine. And if you think this is what you've been interested in watching, sit back as we jump right into today's video. You're welcome back, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be starting out by saying that when you want to choose a skincare product, make sure you know your skin type, so that you will not get a product that will irritate your skin or will cause damage for you. I have two soaps that I use to wash my body, so I am still a sucker for black soap, so I still use black soap. So I still use my Cottage Fresh black soap. So I'm going to be inserting the picture for a clearer view. So I still use my Cottage Fresh soap to cleanse my body, and if it is the day I've run out of my body wash, so I'll just insert the picture of the one I use. So I use the Dove body wash, and that particular body wash is very good. Like, I love that Dove body wash. I love this particular Dove body wash because it's very moisturizing. So this fragrance is so amazing. So I practically use this particular Cottage Fresh soap twice in a week. Then my body wash, I use it all through, but I only use the black soap 2 times in a week. So if it is the day I'm going to be scrubbing, I use my Kuu Spa salt scrub because I have oily skin. So I always go for scrubs that I always go for salt scrub. But if you have dry skin, normal to combination skin, the best scrub for you to use is the sugar scrub. So make sure you get a sugar scrub if you have normal to dry skin. But for myself, I have oily skin, so I usually use Kuu Spa salt scrub the days I'm going to be scrubbing my body. So I use it 2 times in a week. If you are dry skin, using it 2 times. If you are dry skin, normal to combination skin, using it 2 times in a week is ideal for you. But if you have oily skin, you're supposed to be using it 3 times in a week. But myself, I use it 2 times in a week, and it's getting the job done for me. So then once I'm out of the shower, then I will use my body lotion. So I use the Nivea Even and Radiant SPF 15 body lotion. So this is what I use to moisturize my skin. I didn't bring my body oil here. So the body oil that I'm using currently is the oil that I made by myself, and that body oil is very moisturizing. So you can make your body oil by yourself, or you buy body oil in the supermarket. They are quite affordable ones that you can get within the range of 1,500 to 3,000 naira, and your skin will also love it. So the way I usually apply this, I first of all go in with my moisturizer, my lotion. Then after applying my lotion, then I will use my body oil to seal and to lock in the moisture, and it is really nice. Doing it that way is really nice. Before, I used to mix my lotion and my oil together, but since I started applying my lotion first, then using my body oil last as skin moisture, like, my skin feels very hydrated, and my skin came alive, like, since I started doing it, and my skin is popping. You can see that my skin is popping. So that is that for the body care. Then coming to my face, I just got out of the shower. I just put on this wig, then put my lip balm and my earring, and I haven't done anything on my face. So first thing for my face, I just got this particular simple purifying facial wash. So I just got it. I actually went there to get something different. I had a particular one in mind. I was inserting the picture of the one I wanted to buy, but the supermarket that I went to, they didn't have it. So this is the one I got, and this one is for oily and blemish prone skin. It's really nice. Like, I've been using it for like a week now. So all the products I'm mentioning in this video, I'm going to be listing the prices or is it I'm going to be putting the prices on the screen, or I'm going to be listing them on the description box. So make sure you click the description box to get the prices of all the products I'm going to be that I'm talking about in this video. So this particular product, it says here that it deeply cleanses for controlled shine and clear skin. That's correct. Like my face, the oil on my face, at times it's as if you want to fry plantain with it. I have a very severe oil skin that you can even see I'm already breaking out here and here as well. Like I have oily stroke acne prone skin, but for like a week that I've been using this particular product, like it controlled the oil on my face, and I noticed that my whiteheads are like they are not that visible anymore. So this product, if you are oily prone skin, this particular product is like it's a no-brainer for you, and it's quite affordable. I got it for 2,500. So depending on where you are getting it from, you might get it cheaper or higher depending on your location and where you're shopping it from. So then, since I've done this, so what I'm now going to do, then the next skincare product that I go with is my facial toner. So yeah, I go with the Beauty Formula Brightening Vitamin C Facial Tonic. So this very one, I just got it as well. I've used it for some days now, and I think for the price is getting the job done. I got this one for 1,850 naira. You could also get it for 1,500. I think I saw it in a place for 1,500. Then I had in mind to buy, because I'm using the Neutrogena 2-in-1 facial toner. That is the one I'm using that has salicylic acid, because I'm oily prone skin and acne prone skin as well. So that is the one I always go for, but there they didn't have it. So I actually saw this one for 1,500, but I was thinking, no, this is not what I needed. Then I went to another supermarket. I went to Blanco supermarket, and they didn't, I think they have it. Was it that they have it or something? I can't remember if I saw it there, but I just picked this one. So let me show you how I apply it. Like I said, I only wash my face. I haven't done anything on my face. So I'll just go with my cotton pad. I just take out my cotton pad, then put some amount of it in my cotton pad. Then I'll use it to cleanse my face, to clean my face gently, to make sure I take off every excess dirt on my face. Always be careful with your eyes so that it doesn't enter your eyes. Then I walk it down to my neck, my ear and all. So you can see I have a little dirt there. Can this camera focus? I don't know if you can see it. So I have a little dirt there. So it's always good for you to, after washing your face, to go in with your face toner to take off the remaining excess dirt in your face. So the product that I will go in with is my essence. That is if you are using essence. So this particular one is Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Brightening and Anti-Aging Essence Toner. Apply it generously on my face like this. Let me show you how I do it. Then. Bye. Applying your toner, the next thing for you to do is to go in with your antioxidant that is your vitamin C or any other serum that you are using. So in this very case today, I'm not going to be using my vitamin C serum. And my vitamin C serum, I've actually made a video about this vitamin C serum. So I am using the Roushun vitamin C serum, so which has 20% vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and it also said that it's a professional anti-aging and brightening serum. So what I do is, after using my Dr. Rashel essence toner, I usually go in with my vitamin C toner. But what I'm also saying in essence is that you don't have to do all these steps. So I will show you the ones that are very, very, very necessary and important. But if you have them, if you can afford them, go ahead and buy it. And moreover, they are all affordable. So if you are shopping this, depending on where you're shopping it from, you can get this toner between the rate of 1,500 to 3,500. And this Dr. Rashel essence toner is retail for 2,500, depending where you're shopping it from, in the range of 2,500 to 5,000 naira, or even below that. Then the next thing for us to go in with, after allowing your toner to sink in, the next product to go in with is my moisturizer. So I use the Nivea Perfect and Radiant Eventone Light Moisturizer for my face. I like the fact that this particular moisturizer is very lightweight. It does not clog the pores. It does not sit heavy on the skin. It absorbs into the skin very, very fast. And the good thing about it is that it also has SPF. It has SPF 15. Though SPF 15 is not enough to protect your skin against the harmful UV ray and UVB. So while applying this, don't just apply this and think that you've protected your skin. Make sure that after applying your moisturizer, that you are also going in with a sunscreen. So I'm going to be applying my moisturizer now. You know, like I said, that this particular lotion is lightweight. So I'm going to be applying my moisturizer, because I'm going to be applying a sunscreen. So I'm not taking it all the way down to your neck. And don't forget your ear. It's very important. So you can see the way my face feels now. My face feels moisturized, like it's not looking drying like when I started this video initially. So I wait for a little while to go in with my sunscreen. So I want to walk us down to all the things that I've said in this video. So number one thing you should do when you're starting out your skincare journey is, first of all, get a soap or a body wash that your skin loves, that is good for your skin, that you can afford, that is affordable, that you know that you can always go back to repurchase. So this Cottage Fresh, I got it for 1,900. Yeah, I got it 1,900. And the body wash that I'm using, I usually buy it for 3,500, and it lasts me for almost 3 to 4 months, because I use 2 soaps. I don't use it every day. I use the body wash more often. Like the body wash lasts me 3 months. Yeah, it lasts me 3 months, and the Cottage Fresh soap lasts me for 3 to 4 months, because I don't use it every day. I only use it 2 times in a week. I use 2 times in a week, and I make sure that I scrub my skin twice in a week. I make sure I scrub my skin twice in a week, and I do that at night. I always scrub at night. So some people say they scrub in the daytime. Like, I don't even know how you do it in this busy Lagos, that you'll be scrubbing in the daytime. So I use my scrub at night. So I always scrub at night on my scrub days. And after your scrub, when you get out of your shower, you towel your body. The next thing for you to go over with is your body cream. After your body cream, you apply your body oil to lock in the moisture. Then come to your face, wash your face, and use your face toner. Then after your face toner, you can go in with your antioxidant, or if you are using something like this, your essence, you go in with your essence. And after your essence, you go in with your face moisturizer. Then after moisturizing your face, because this step that I am talking about in this video today can also be used as your nighttime routine. The only difference in your daytime routine is that you are using sunscreen, which you are only applying your sunscreen in the daytime. Then in the night you don't need to apply your sunscreen. All you need to do, even at night, you can decide just to wash your face with your face wash and apply your moisturizer, or you apply your antioxidant, or if you are using a retinol, it's good to apply your retinol at night and go to bed, and you wake up in the morning, you see your face looking glowy and shining. So at this very moment my face is dried enough, so I'm going to now go in with my I'm not going to now go in with my sunscreen. So I thought about this sunscreen in one of my videos. I said I promised I was going to make a full video on this sunscreen, but I haven't done that yet. I've been using this sunscreen now for 3 weeks, 3 weeks to 4 weeks, 3 weeks to 4 weeks, and it's pretty a good one. But I would say if you are oily skin like me, this sunscreen will make you look very oily. Yes, but this sunscreen is very, very suitable. I would recommend this sunscreen for dry skin. Like if you have a dry skin, this sunscreen it's going to be perfect for you. It's a good sunscreen. It does not stink, it does not give white cast. But if you're oily, if you're dry skin, good option for you. But for oily skin, it makes my skin too oily, but it doesn't make me sweat anyway. It doesn't make me sweat in any way. It doesn't make me sweat at all. So make sure for your sunscreen that you are concentrating on this part, because you know that these are the part that is mostly exposed to sun. So because this is like the sun is always hitting you by the side of your face, so make sure that you concentrate on this part to apply your sunscreen. So the way I apply this sunscreen is that after blend. Blend. Voila. This is it now. So like I said, this particular sunscreen for oily skin type is going to make you look very, very oily. But if you're dry skin, this sunscreen is your number, like it's your best bet. Like your face will look very good. Make sure you're not exposing yourself so much to the sun, and remember to always reapply your sunscreen. So the last thing that I always do after applying everything, I'll go in with my Blue Seal Vaseline to moisturize my lips. And voila, it's done. You've done your morning skincare routine. Voila, it's done. You can see the way my face is looking. You can see the glow in my face. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. If you find this video helpful in any way, if this video has been helpful to you in any way, make sure to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and family. And if you've not subscribed, if you've watched my video to up to this very moment, you've not subscribed to my channel, waiting I do you now, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on the post notification bell so that YouTube will always give you a notification anytime there's a new upload from me. And from me